Welcome. My name is Varun. I am present with this video WordPress file and database structure. In the previous video, I had shown how to install WordPress in a step-by-step fashion. Next to that, I am going to show you files, folders and database structure of WordPress in this video. Have a look at the structure of files and folders. So WP-admin, WP content, WP includes. These are the three primary directories and following other files, out of which wp-config.php is important to us. This is a configuration file. Database connection information is saved in this file. Along with this, there are other configuration information also. WP content is also important as this is a container for themes, plugins and uploaded files. Let's have a look at the database structure now. So this is an entity relationship diagram, also called ERD in short. And the following are these are the tables that you can see: WP term meta, users, user meta, comments, posts, taxonomy, terms, term relationships, options, comment meta, links, post meta. You see WP underscore here. This is table prefix that we had put in during the installation process. We might have changed it to something else, but by default it is WP underscore. So just have a look. You don't have to remember all these things. Just knowing is enough. Okay. So in the previous video, we had installed member website. This is the home page, the front end by default. I'll show you this member website files and folders. This is installed under where www.html. This is the home for my applications on this system. Here you see member directory. These are the WordPress files and folders. Have a closer look. We have WP-admin folder. This folder contains the admin files, the code in simpler terms, and you don't have to change anything for our website customization under WP-admin. Next is WP content. Yes, this contains the files and folders related to plugins and themes. Yes, so WP content folder is important to us. We'll be learning them in the coming videos. WP includes. This contains the library files of WordPress. We don't have to change anything here. And you see, out of all these files, wp-config.php is important to us. Let's have a look at these files. In this file, out of all the things that you can see here, database information is important. In the beginning, we provide whatever information related to data like database name, database username, password and host name we had provided during installation is saved here. Now, so you see, these are the files and folders. Let's have a look at the database tables using phpMyAdmin. So this is the member database that we had installed during installation, and all these tables got created automatically. So you see there are 12 tables: comment meta, comments, links, options, post meta, posts, term meta, terms, term relationships, taxonomy, user meta and users. You'll be learning all of these things, and you don't have to remember anything now, but as we go ahead with WP tutorials, you will come to know about all of these things. So let me just now show you about the WP users table, what this table has. WP users table contains the records of WP users. The first user, there's only one record right now, you can see here, Varun. This got created during installation. We can create new user also from the admin panel, and we'll see how later in another video. So this is WP users table. This is your login, password, email ID, nice name, etc. Let's see another table, posts table. This contains information regarding your posts. By default, these are the posts. Posts are nothing but the website pages. We'll come to know about this later. Posts, pages, etc., etc. So all these posts get saved in WP underscore posts table. You see, by default these are the few information: hello world, sample page, and a draft. That's now one more table, WP underscore options. You see, these are the information about our website settings, like site URL, home, blog name, blog description, and there are other information. We set this information in the WP backend. What is the backend, you remember? Yes, the dashboard. This is the backend. So in this video we went through the files and folders of WordPress and then the database tables. Before I finish, question of the video. First question: what is wp-config.php file for? Second, what are the files and folders which you will be using for WordPress site customizations? Third, do you need to change anything inside WP-admin directory for customizing your site? I think you can answer this. If you find any difficulty, I'll suggest to watch the video again and you will be able to answer, because I have answered these questions in this video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.